Hello YouTube, another update. Good morning traders. This time we're gonna take a look at ticker symbol LULU, Lululemon. Just got an alert on this stock. This is a stock that I've had several alerts on, and every time I had analyzed the chart, it was in a good place for me to pull back. This is another one of those stocks where, I have to say, if you have a chance to buy it, you have to buy it. You have to own it in your portfolio. Forget what people say. At the end of the day, as you can see, if you do your due diligence before trading a stock, you can see where stock is coming from and where it might go. And Lululemon, going back to, what is this, 2013, it hit a high of 82, and ever since then it pulled back. It tried to hold the 50-day moving average, and it crossed under it going into 2014. As you can see, it went below the 200-day moving average, and it never recovered from that. It tried to bounce back up. It found resistance here on the 200-day moving average, and then pulled straight back down. All right, it hit a low of $36. Then it kind of, I wouldn't even say bottom out, but it hit the 26, and it went sideways for a little bit on the 37.70. And once it pulled up, it pulled back down to 37.70, like I said before, where it was playing around right here. If you was watching the charts, which I wasn't. I kind of missed out on this beautiful move right here. But October 13th, everybody was looking for the right stock to trade, and this alert did come out right here again on it. But I wasn't paying attention once again. But as you can see here, the price crossed over the 50-day moving average. Then it powered. See, this is not going sideways. It powered through the 200-day moving average. So once you see these two green bars, you could have gotten this trade again. This price action represent a week of price action. And as you can see, it just kept on making higher highs, hitting a high of 68.70. I'm going to go into the daily chart just to show you the price action. And this is live as this trade that I might take, which I don't think I'm going to take because there's too much down movement in the markets this morning. As you can see here, this is Lululemon going back October 13th. Like I said, right here, once it crossed over the 50-day moving average, it held. If I was watching it right here, I would have bought it right here, somewhere here. But look, it hit the 200-day moving average. All right, going above it, then pulling back into it, and then boom, left the 200-day moving average, crossed over the 9-day moving average, and it held the 9-day moving average. And this is a perfect place to have been in this trade, all right? But now it hit the 68.99 level. Where am I expecting it to go? As you can see here, I'm already telling you I'm expecting it to come down here to the 56.86 price range. I don't know if it's actually gonna, actually touch this, but this is where, this area right here is where I would be looking, to get into this trade, somewhere here, all right? Because if it don't hold this 50-day moving average, it's gonna come crashing down this 200-day moving average, But I would be looking to take the trade in here on for those aggressive traders who are short term. I normally like to look at the hourly charts to see what's actually going on. As you can see, it bottomed out here, and this is today, Friday, at 60.55, and it's going sideways. Would I take the trade right here? I absolutely not. I would wait a little bit to see which direction is it going to go. If it's going to start to pull up a little bit, if it's going to have life up, or it's going to continue going down lower to hit this 55.44 or this price range right here. I'm anticipating this 57 area right here, but hey, I don't know. I'm not perfect. I can't predict the markets like I always tell people, but this is the best guesstimation I can make. All right. And looking at a 5-minute chart, if I'm going to go any to check out the price action on the 5-minute chart, like I said, for those aggressive traders, all right, you could have taken this trade this morning at this 60.55 price range. Right now, you up about $2, all right, to be exact. But like I said, I mean, if you're aggressive enough to take the trade, you know what you're doing. You could get into this trade right here. You would have made, about $2 from this morning. But again, all right, I've did this review for those traders and those people who wanted me to go over this chart, and I just told you guys I personally would not be in this trade long term, but short term, you could have taken this trade this morning and looked like it got another leg up. And what time is it? 12 o'clock. And this volume coming into this stock, well, technically it's still in the green, you know. And momentum, then the momentum was down. It's from 1 o'clock. Look like momentum can turn around, because you have a little up spike here, down here, as you can see, the momentum right here. And as you can see, price is actually trying to pull away from the 50-day moving average here. So I would be careful with Lululemon. If you're trading it, you know, trail your stops, you know, take profit off the table. If you're not trading it and you're like me, you're waiting to see what it actually does, and I would wait till sometime next week to see, you know, let the noise settle down before you get into the stock, you know. But for the rest of you guys who would like to learn how to trade, would like to learn how to do this, feel free to send me your email, the number 3, the letter D, as usual, consult me. So investors, same email, feel free to send me your, you know, an email if you're looking for that 10, 20, 30% return on your investment. You know, the number 3, the letter D, consult me at Gmail. Peace.